Guys, so this is continuation of our last video. In our last video, we have configured our checkpoint gateway. We have done the initial configuration with our checkpoint gateway, like we have configured the LAN interface IP, WAN interface IP, and uh, we have also connected our gateway to the internet. Okay, we have seen how to configure the static route. So here in this lecture, we will see how we can add our checkpoint gateway with our checkpoint management server. Okay, so here is the screen. Here you can see my checkpoint management server is now up. It is my management IP 172.16.1.101. Okay, so it is configured, and this box is configured as a management. Here you can see. Okay, so now let's hit the lab. I'll log into the smart console. Okay, so what is the admin no admin 123. Okay, let's connect. Yeah, it's connecting. So guys, as you can see, we have successfully logged in on our checkpoint management console. Okay, so if I'll go to the gateways and the servers, you can see only the management server it is showing. There is no gateway listed in this list, so we will be adding this gateway in our management server. Okay, so for doing that, you need to go to the gateway. Okay, wizard, and then type what was the name. Let me log in. Okay, yeah, so this was the host name of our gateway. I'll give the same name over here. Okay, then here you can select the model. So I'm using here as an open server, so I'll mention open server. Then the management IP through which it will communicate with the management server is 100. Okay, I'll give that IP address. Then it is asking for the SIC key that we have configured while doing the initial configuration of our management gateway box, that we kept as a admin at 123. So I'll give one-time password as a admin at 123 to initiate the SIC. Let's see. Yeah, it is taking topology. As you can see the topology here. In our last video we have configured the LAN IP 10.1.1.100 and WAN IP, WAN side interface IP. Okay, and this is our management. Okay, now I'll click on finish. So guys, you can see here we are getting the properties of our management box. I'll click OK. Okay, so we have successfully added or onboarded our gateway to the management. Okay, it will take some time, then it will show the status as green also for the gateway. As of now it is empty and nothing is configured. We have just added this with our management server. Okay, now let's go to the lab again, topology. So in our last video we have seen we have configured the static route and we were able to reach the internet. If I'll go here and I'll try pinging 1.1.1, yes, I'm able to do so. I'm able to reach global DNS. Okay, now my task is to provide internet to my local area network. Suppose this is my uh, internal router. Here I have. Okay, so for time saving I have already configured it, like I have given the basic IP address configuration is already done on this router, and I have also given the default gateway as 10.1.1.100. Okay guys, now let me show you the configuration in our R4 router. This is simply our local area network device. Okay, show IP interface brief. You will see here I have fastnet 0 by 0, that is 10.1.1.1. Okay, that is connected to the checkpoint gateway. Okay, these are my sub interfaces. We will see how we will use them in our in our lab. Not for now, but later on. Okay. Now let's see how to enable the internet on this machine. If I will ping 1.1.1, yeah, I'm not able to reach to the internet. Why? Because I'm having this private IP and this private IP is not routable in the internet. So to go to the internet, I will have to perform some steps, like I will have to do the netting on the firewall. Okay, and then I will also have to create the security policy, then only I will be able to reach to the internet. Okay, now let's do it. Okay, I'll go here. Yeah, I'll go here, manage. Okay, so this is my cleanup rule. On top of by default it is not tracking anything, so I'll track it. Okay, now I add a rule above. I'll mark it as a internet rule. Okay, now source will be our LAN subnet. I'll create a LAN object 10.1.1.0/24. Okay, mm -hmm. 255.255.255.0. Done. Now for now I'm keeping destination any, service any, and accept log. Okay, I will also have to create one net policy. Source will be our LAN subnet, destination will be any. Okay, sorry guys, yeah, here source will be any, destination will be any. Source translated, what will be the translated source? I want to hide this behind the gateway. Okay, so my gateway IP is 192.168.163.200. So I will simply create one object. Okay, translated source. Here it is showing S. S stands for static net, means it's a one-to-one net. Only one public IP at a time will go to the internet, will be able to go to the internet. So I don't want that. I want every source behind this gateway can reach to the internet. So I will use the hide net. That is kind of bad. Okay, so I'm done with the changes, I guess. Yeah, so I'm done with the changes. Now I'll push it. Okay, just hold on. Sorry, here. Yeah, install policy. I will install the policy to my gateway. Okay, Mumbai gateway when we want to install in that. It is selected. Let's see whether the commit is successful or not. Yeah, it's successfully pushed. And the policy has been successfully pushed. Now we can try. Let's try. Yeah, see, we are able to restore the internet. Now let's check the logs in the checkpoint box. What it is saying. Okay, what I'll put here, I'll give source 10.1.1.1. What is the IP, guys? So 10.1.1. Why it's not working? Let's check. Last hour's log. Oh my god, I haven't enabled the login. Let's go here. It's enabled. We are able to reach internet. Now let's check the logs. Yeah, guys, here we are getting the logs. You can see if I will open it, then you can see the source is 10.1.1.1, destination is 1.1.1.1, and it is getting translated. Source is getting translated behind the public IP, and we're able to reach to the internet. So this is the way you can connect your LAN device to the internet. So what we have done, here it is also showing the health status of our management and the gateway, both the devices. Okay, so this is how you can enable the internet on your LAN devices. Okay, thank you guys.